responsibilities of the government to stop domestic child labor in Pakistan?
Well, there are a lot of responsibilities which are on the state of Pakistan and the government of Pakistan. Primarily, there is Article 11 of the Constitution of Pakistan, which imposes certain obligations in respect of child rights on the state of Pakistan. But the problem in Pakistan is this that there are no specific special laws which should have been made pursuant to that Article 11 of the Constitution of Pakistan. That's why there are no proper legal mechanism to enforce this obligation which Constitution has imposed on the government of Pakistan regarding the domestic child labor. So, although there are certain laws which prohibit the child labor in certain factories, in certain dangerous works, but the domestic labor, like the working of child as servants in house, as maids, so this is not specifically prohibited somewhere in law, and it has become, although it's a dilemma, that this has become a kind of socially acceptable norm for which there is a lot of need that awareness should be made and proper laws should be implemented.
Can you make to improve the law in respect of domestic child labor?
Actually, there can be a lot of suggestions for making improvements in law. Rather, I would say there is a dire need of making certain special laws. Actually, one obligation, which is prime obligation of the state of Pakistan, is under Article 11 of the Constitution of Pakistan. Under that, there is a lot of room in Pakistan for making legislation, for making laws. Likewise, under the international obligations, like Pakistan is signatory to certain conventions, international conventions for the protection and rights of child throughout the world. So Pakistan is bound under those international conventions to take certain measures for the protection of child. So there is need of making many laws rather than improving, because there are actually no special laws for the protection of child from domestic labor. So there is need that certain specific laws should be made, keeping in view, of course, the social and economic conditions in Pakistan.